Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, we successfully solved our one of the issue. I hope you like it very much. Now friend, in this video, before going our more deep all that functionality for our news project, I want to refresh our dashboard. They have some of the unnecessary things. I want to make it as a clean, then that will be helpful. Like first of all, I want to update our sidebar. Here only I want to take some of the menu and rest of this I want to actually delete. There have so many things. Better if you now go. Right now we don't need anything. I want to close everything from here. Okay, now I want to update. That is our auth. We don't need this right now. Now if you go to that our resources, view admin, and then the body. First of all, I want to update our sidebar. Okay, into the sidebar, they have the setting, logout, this type of the functionality. Actually here we don't need this functionality. I want to select this div, and div is ended. I want to remove it. Okay, I remove this one as a user box. I don't know where exactly that is visible. Now if you refresh it, you can see it's not, I don't know where exactly that is loaded. And now that is our dashboard. Dashboard will be just like one page. I want to do that is our navigation. Navigation means that is actually our navigation, which is fine. Okay, which is fine. And here I want to do that is our dashboard is started, and that is multiple div. Here after that there is a calendar, but I copy this one. Okay, I copy this one, and after that first of all I want to paste it, and then here for the dashboard they have also one of the icon. I want to update this icon. I copy it. For the dashboard icon I want to update this icon. Okay, now that will be as a dashboard. I make it as a dashboard, and now this menu we don't need this. I want to simply remove it. Okay, I remove it. Great. Now there is a navigation. If you click as a save all, only that should be one dashboard. Now if you refresh it, you can see now there is only dashboard. And for the dashboard, if you also want to add some of the route, you can actually add it. I have already created one of the route. Better I want to make it a little bit left side, and I want to update that route. Okay, then that will be better. I want to make it as a route. Lot of thing we'll actually do in here. Now that is our admin dashboard. Admin dashboard, you can see that is admin dashboard route. I want to access it as admin dashboard. Okay, so now that will be as admin dashboard. Great. And after that, that is our apps. That means apps means here I want to use different type of things. That will be all that are menu. So that will be all menu. And literally everything here I will add, like this type of one of the menu I want to actually add. That means drop down menu. The rest of this I want to remove. Calendar we don't need this. Chat we don't need this. I remove it. And there is our e-commerce. Here only I want to take two, and rest of they have the so many. I want to remove it. Okay, one by one I remove it. If you select it, that is started, ended. If you select it, that is started, and that is ended. Great. Now that should be display only two. Click as a save all. Now if you go refresh it, you can see there is a menu is visible, and there is a e-commerce. There is a two. Great. Now I only want to take two, and rest of this, or rather than I take as a three, and rest of this I want to remove. That's before file manager. Now one by one I want to remove it. Like that is our CRM. I want to take that CRM. I want to take that email. CRM and email, and from to the social feed I want to remove it. Okay, there is a social feed. I simply select it. So just select by select, you can delete it, then that will be better. I select it as a li is ended. I want to remove this li. That is also another task is ended. I want to remove this li, select it, and then I want to remove it. Contact, and then the ticket I want to remove dev by dev. Okay, and then that will be helpful. There is a file manager, we don't need this, and that is our custom. So I better make it later everything I will add it. That is custom. Cover the custom. They have the 1 2 3. Okay, so I want to simply take two. So here for the auth page, there is a so many menu. I only want to take two. I will remove everything, and there is a last one. I remove it. Now there is a one, and also I want to take another one. That will be two, and then there is an extra page. For the extra page I want to take only two, and rest of this I want to remove. I remove it, and there is a news layout. First of all I want to check it. Click as save all, and there is a layout. We don't need this actually. There is a layout. I want to select this li, li is ended. I want to remove it. Okay, I remove it. Now click as a save all. Now that should be update. You can see there is a menu, e-commerce, CRM, email, and then there is some the menu, and then component here. If you want to add something, another one, you can add it. So also here I want to take only 2, and rest of this I want to remove. I only take that icon and then form. Okay, the rest of this I want to remove. Like there is a li, fast li, and fast li is ended in here. There are so many. I want to remove it. Okay, then there is extend li, I select it, and that is ended in here. I want to remove it. Now there is a widgets, I want to remove it. There is an icon, I want to take that icon, and only I take 2. Okay, 2 li, I want to remove it. I hope you already know there is basics. If you know a little bit the basic CSS, that will be enough. And also there is another li, I want to take 2, and the rest of this I want to remove it. Okay, great. And after that there is a table, everything I want to remove. There is li is ended. I want to remove this li. The charts is ended. Select it. That is ended in here. That is a multi. li is ended. Okay, I want to simply remove it. I remove this total li, multi-level, I remove it. Great. Now if you click as a save all, now that should be very clean. Now refresh it. You can see it's very now clean. Now there is a navigation as a dashboard. There is a menu. Here we'll actually add multiple menu as per our demand, and that will be our another menu. That will be our another menu. Great. Our sidebar is now very clean. Okay, literally everything will add in particular that area, which is fine. Now I want to update our header. Okay, into the header they have some of the menu as a mega menu, the create menu. We don't need this actually. Only I want to take that's one also will be not needed. Notification will be needed. I will actually load some of the different type of notification, how to add some of the notification. I will also discuss about that things with you. Now first of all I want to go to our header. Now there is a body and there is a header. Okay, so into the header area some of the things have the so many things actually. Now one by one I want to remove it. Like that is our li. There is a founded 22 result. Founded 22 result, you can see that is for our search box. So I want to take this search box, okay, here, which is fine, but here there are the so many data user. Like right now we don't need this. I only want to do that is our li. There is on the form. There is a search form, search input button. There is another div as a drop down. 22 result. Here I want to take item. And rest of this I want to remove. There is another item. There is a div. Div by div I want to remove. Then that will be actually helpful. You can see there is a div is ended, and simply remove it. Great. Now that should be very clean. That is our search option. There is also another one. There is a Slack GitHub. Now that is actually our this one. Okay, that means here that is some of the Slack GitHub. I want to remove total things from here. Okay, then that will be better. There is a first one. There is our another li. If you select this li is ended. Okay, li is ended as a drop menu. I want to remove it. And then first of all I want to check it. Now if you click as a save all. Now if you go refresh it, you can see now there is all very clean. They have the 3. Great. And also now I want to remove this part. If you want to remove it, there is our li, another one I want to remove it. That is actually for the zoom icon. I want to there is a full screen. Full screen means that is actually our full screen. It's very interactive things. I want to make it as a just like that. And then after that will be our another li. I select this li, and here li is ended in here. Great. So now I want to remove this li. Okay, I remove this li, and in this li means that will be remove everything from here, right? I remove it, and also after that there is another li. This li is for image. Here we also don't need this. I want to select this li, and li is ended. I want to remove it. Okay, I want to remove this li. Great. And after that notification will be needed. Here I will do a lot of work. Now first of all I want to check it. Click as a save all. Now refresh it. You can see it's very clean right now. There is a notification will be displayed. Great. And after that, there is a user image. I want to update it, so that will be the notification, and here you can see there is a user image, so that is the image I want to update. So our process will be just like that same. I want to take our backend, because that is our backend theme, and here I want to update that our image. I cut it and I paste it. Great. Now if you look at the save all, and better I want to make it as a RDN. Okay, RDN for now for education purpose. And how are you? What about your meeting? Right now we don't need this. Now click as a save all, and now if you go refresh it, now that should be display one of the image. Image is not display. Why it's not display? If you now go again, that is in our which position? You can see the image is updated in here, so that is our all that notification message actually, not that part. So that is our notification. That has a different type of images, and the name I have already updated one, and you can see there is item by item. That is all that information, right? So I only want to take 2 items. Okay, that will be another item. I want to simply make it a little bit left side. There is also another item. If you select it, item is ended. There is also some of the comment. I want to remove it. Okay, now the last one will be enough. Like right now there is a 1 item, 2 item, 3 item. Now in our notification area, that should be displayed as a 3 item. Now click as a refresh. Now if you go, you can see there is a 1, 2 and 3. Great. So after that notification, I want to update that our user will be here 1, 2, and there is also one of the images. If you want to update, you can update it. I want to update. So now that is our images. I cut it and here I paste it. Great. And then our another one, there is a view all. That is actually our profile. Into the profile area, I want to also update our backend. I copy and paste it. Now that should be our profile image. Update. Okay. Now there is a grave. I make it as a RDN. Okay, make it as a RDN. Now if you click as a save all, literally I will also update everything. That will be dynamic. So friend, as I told you, that will be total dynamic one of the project. Everything I will update. You can see now image is visible, RDN is visible. I have already completed our logout functionality. Now it's very clean, and also they have some of the setting. And then there is our welcome. Welcome means if you go, there is a new project mega menu, right? I want to also remove it. There is our welcome, my account, setting, skin lock, logout. I have already done this job, and after that you can see there is a notification. If you select this LI, I want to remove this LI. Now that should be gone. That is actually this one. Now click the refresh. You can see it's now gone. Great. Now it's successfully working. And after that they have some of the icon I have already updated. So that is our logo will be update. Great. And there is our button, navigation. There's a mobile navigation, so this will be for the mobile. You can see now that is our create new means that is actually our create new, right? And the mega menu, I don't need this. I simply select this LI, and LI is ended in here. I want to remove this one. I remove it, and also you can see there is a mega menu. Mega menu means that is our mega menu. They have so many data. We don't need this actually. I want to make it clean. Click as a select it, and mega menu ended in our which place. You can see that is our ended. Okay, LI I select it, and now I want to remove this LI. Okay, great. Now it's very clean. Now click as a save all, and now if you go, I want to refresh it. Yes, you can see it's now very clean, right? So now they have they have no unnecessary things. There is a zoom icon, notification, all that menu. Great. And now also want to update our this part is in our index area, right? Here I want to update. We have to go to that our admin, and that is our index. Okay, into the index there is a dashboard. You can see there is all that our amount. Now that is actually all that our amount, but I want to make it like 2-4 digit. Now click as a save all. Now that should be update here. Yeah, you can see now that is appropriate. And I want to take history. Okay, I want to take all that history, like this part I want to actually take, and here there is a top 5 user balance I want to do. I want to remove it. If I want to remove, first of all I want to find out it. So that is our sales export report. The total will be top 5. You can see there is a top 5 user balance. So that is our top 5 user balance, and here there is a things I want to remove. And if you select this div is ended. They have so many data. You can see, as I told you, for the reasons I want to actually remove it. You can see there is a div is ended. So now I simply select this div by div I want to remove. Now that is one of the table is ended. Okay, table is ended in our which place? That is actually very long. Better I want to Control Z it. So now there is one of the div. Better I want to minimize this div. And if you now select this div is ended. You can see now this will be better. I remove it, and also I remove it. Now if you click as a save all, and now if you go refresh it, now that should be gone. You can see now that is totally gone. So better I want to make our revenue history in our full wide. So if you want to make it as a full wide, you can see that is our call Excel as a 6. So I want to update this one. That is a call, and if you select this div is ended. I want to remove total div. Okay, I want to remove it, and now I want to make it as a 12. Okay, so that will be our total wide. That is our row, and every row that have the 12 column. So now that will be our 12 column. Now if you click as a save all, now that should be our 12 column. Refresh it. You can see it's successfully done, and they have some of the action. Actually here we don't need this action. Here you can see that is actually our action. If you select this div is ended, I remove it, and also they have some of the icon. I want to remove this icon, and ahref. I also want to remove this ahref as much as we can. Okay, I save all. Now refresh it. You can see it's now successfully updated our revenue history. That will be our sales analytics. So literally we'll update that things dynamically. Great. So friend, that's all. Okay, that's all. I make it as a clean. Right now it's very clean. Great. So from our next video, first of all I want to complete all that portion for our admin, and then we'll complete our user part also. Okay, so in our next video I'll complete our admin profile. That means if admin user want to update their profile, if this admin want to change that password, everything one by one I will show you with the live example. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.